Innovation refers to the development of products, services, and processes that enhance performance. At TACO, innovation is our lifeblood. It drives us, disciplines us, and defines who we are. Our innovation doesn't follow a fixed plan. It evolves through design and exploration, fueled by creativity and technology, and crafted by skilled hands. TACO combines aesthetic design with practical functionality and establishes itself as a frontrunner in the industry, offering high-pressure laminates, flooring, hardware, adhesives, wall panel, aluminium composite panel, and playfond. We're driven by a commitment to dedication, precision, and innovation. At TACO, we believe innovation is about shaping the future with forward-thinking solutions. That's why we're dedicated to meeting national and international standards with our certified high-quality products. TACO's commitment is realized through cross-sector collaboration, including mentorship for micro, small, and medium enterprises through the Mitra TACO program. TACO brings creativity to life through collaborations with artists, designers, and local professionals. Creativity as our commitment bridges ideas, blends perspectives, and inspires cross-industry discussions. Equipped with innovation, creativity, collaboration, and a team responsive to industry and consumer needs, TACO consistently delivers decoration and spatial solutions with high-quality products. With TACO, make that change.